Hello, Nerd Hatters. In 2024 and beyond, do you need a website to be an actor? I would answer yes and no. First, let's give the no's. No, you don't need a new website because you're going to have a profile in Actors Access. You might have a profile in Backstage West. You're going to have your own Instagram or YouTube channel, maybe TikTok. You have your own profiles. You really don't need a website in that sense, because if people want to see pictures of your work or even reels, they'll go to your Actors Access or Backstage West, or maybe you have clips again like on Instagram and whatnot. But why I say you do need to have a website is because you need to own your name. I have a very common name, Lisa Rodriguez, and there's many Lisa Rodriguez, even Lisa Rodriguez's that are actors. But I own my name as a website. I also own it as the IMDb vanity URL, at least currently. Same thing with Actors Access. And it's important to own your name, especially like as you start getting clout. You don't want someone else to buy your website name and then turn into some trash or gossip, basically blog about you, right? Or depending on your brand, if they get it and they want to make something, especially now with AI, they can just take some pictures of you and put it through an AI generator and make it seem like nudes or suggestive pictures of you. And it's just someone who has a grudge against you from back in high school, who's just trying to make your life miserable now because they have nothing better to do. And they've decided to buy your name. And so when people Google you, that's what shows up with that picture on the website that you don't control. So there's nothing you can do about it, right? So that's why I say you do need to own a website, because you need to own your name, even if you do nothing with it. Even if your name, you just have it point directly to your Actors Access site, or maybe your Instagram account, or what have you. But you absolutely need to own your name, because you need to own your brand. You don't want someone else dictating, putting out their information about you that just isn't true. Because unfortunately that can happen. People do things like that. I don't know why. It's really sad. There's enough success for everybody to have, right? There's no reason to trash you like that. But unfortunately, that is one of the things that does happen. So do you need to have the website? No, you don't. Because you're gonna have your Actors Access profile, you're gonna have your Backstage West, you have your social media accounts, so you don't need those. But you absolutely do, because you need to control your brand, especially as you grow, especially as you take this more seriously as a business. You need to control that, and it needs to come through you. And I look forward to seeing your work on the screen.